as I said, has registered 29,000 cases. Incidentally, Goa is the only state in the country to complete 100% onboarding of Gram Panchayat. When I say that, I mean these 29,000 cases have been approved by the sarpanchas of the concerned villages. The program now has reached the stage where the training program, the training process would start. And to initiate that, our Union Minister of State for Skill Development, Sri Rajiv Chandrasekhar, is coming to go on the 4th of January, and he will launch this skill training program under the Prime Minister's Vishwakarma Yojana at the Rabindra Bhavan, Margao, in the distinguished presence of our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant. During the above program, the department has organized the following events. Prime Minister Vishwakarma Guru ka Samman. This event aims to felicitate the Guru or the master class people who have made significant contribution to the respective fields and have demonstrated exemplary skill and expertise. Next would be launching of the Prime Minister Vishwakarma Yojana, the first batch to undergo training. It is proposed to conduct this training camps at 11 centers. Out of these 10 centers, 9 are at government ITIs. 1 center is at the Directorate of Fisheries. On the 4th, we will launch the tailor, Darzi trade, which will be started at the 9 ITI in Goa. The remaining trade courses of the 18 will be started shortly at various skill training centers. The benefits of the scheme, as I said, would be first, registration of recognized artisans. They will be issued recognition certificates and ID cards. Next would be they would have a 5-day free training for upskilling their skills. A training allowance of rupees 2,500 per artisan or craftsman would be given. A sum of rupees 50,000 in the form of e-vouchers for purchase of 2 kits would also be given to them after they've undergone the training course. As I said earlier, a collateral-free loan of rupees 1 lakh at 5% interest would be released in the first phase and rupees 2 lakhs in the second phase. An incentive would also be provided to encourage digital transactions. Therefore, government would grant an amount of rupees 1 per transaction, besides marketing support.